Hello everybody, hi to all. Today I have new lock in my collection, second lock like this. This is xr51 WinkHouse, and we not have key. This key from first lock, and we try to pick him, but very not friendly for single. To say real, this lock makes me problem with pin number 4. So 5 first, not very good, but this is okay. First, second, and 5. Okay, first, second, 5, 4. Maybe. Okay. First, second, 5, no, 4, nice, was good click. First, four, 5, 4, 1, 2. Third, not ask full, so this is just number 4. Nice, nice. Oh, not easy, not easy, not easy. Take time, some time. This lock. No, come on now. And was not easy to pick him. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day today. Goodbye.